needle, cutter, scale, ruler, pencil, baluster. Cut 1 inch baluster to the height that you want. In this tutorial, we're gonna use height is 90 cm. Then stick hole of this with needle. Carry bed in 2.5 cm.
Pull needle out. Very be careful. Slide this piece. Cut 1.5 inch baluster into the width 10 cm. The range depends on the baluster before. Dovetail and stick with glue. Cut 1 inch baluster into the width 10 cm 2 pieces. Stick it in top and bottom.